Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on the Keep Extra Dim feature after our phone restarts in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So where to look for this feature and how to enable it. First of all, we need to access settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options menu, and here we have our Extra Dim feature. What does this function do exactly? So, dim screen beyond your phone's minimum brightness. We can have the switch here, on or off. And if we want to access the settings, we need to tap this menu. And here we have a few more options. But to change most of them, we need to enable our dim function. Let's make it brighter so we can see better. And here it is, keep on after device restarts. Yes, please. And that was the option that we were looking for. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.